Hey guys, 5 realistic ways to make money online right now in this video. I recommend you to stay tuned to get the sites that let you earn money. Whether you are looking to make some fast cash or you're after long-term, more sustainable income-producing results, there are certainly ways you can make money online today. The truth is that making money online isn't as difficult as most make it out to seem. It does require some discipline. Anyone interested in making money online should be pursuing passive income while also working on active income. There are loads of ways to generate an income passively on the internet, many of which start at the foundation of having a blog, generating substantial traffic, and building an audience and a list. It's not easy, but it's worth it. So number 1, leverage the app economy. If you're looking to address some immediate financial needs, then the app economy is likely right for you. Uber or Lyft. If you're in a location where you can find Uber or Lyft or one of the many competitors around the world such as China's Didi, the hours are flexible and you can work as you see it, making it perfect even if you currently have full-time employment but are looking to make some money on the side. Postmates. You don't even need a car in some locations to make money with this app. In some major metropolitan areas like Manhattan, a bike would suffice. Ibotta. Earn cash back reward by purchasing featured products at major retailers. All you have to do is add rebate Go Shopping, then snap a photo of your receipt to earn your cash back. Simple and effective. TaskRabbit. Another simple and straightforward app for making a bit of side hustle income is the TaskRabbit app. Tasks can be anything from simple repairs to more exhaustive undertakings. The app carefully vets each service provider to ensure the high quality, and it's a great way to make some extra income on the side on your own terms. Ebates. This app offers a simple way to make money online by buying whatever you're already buying and then getting a cashback reward. With Ebates, there is no scanning receipts. Simply click a link in the app and buy from the store. You'll automatically be credited your cash rewards upon purchase along with receiving an email confirmation. Swagbucks. With Swagbucks, there are a number of ways you can make money. You can shop online, watch videos, answer surveys, and surf the web. The app gives you both the cashback and gift cards as a reward for your efforts. Inbox Dollars. Another app you can use to make money online is Inbox Dollars, which pays you for watching television, taking surveys, and shopping. There are cash offers here, and it's relatively similar to some of the other apps in this arena. Number 2, use existing websites. You could also opt to use existing websites for making money. These include both active income and passive income methods. For example, you could sell some used items or invest in creating some digital designs that then can be sold on merchandise. Again, devote a desirable portion of your time to passive income so that you can slowly build up earnings that will arrive on autopilot without any extra added effort. Of course, a large portion of these sites do have their own respective apps, but these are certainly less involved in the gig economy and more so in the longer-term projects that exist in the fields of photography, online marketing, graphic design, and web development, for example. Craigslist. This site has been the go-to resource for over a decade now for people that are looking to make a bit of extra money online. You can easily sell your used stuff, rent out a spare room in your home or apartment, and offer up your services to the world. Upwork. This website offers a great marketplace for selling just about any professional service. You don't need a merchant account, website of your own, or anything else for that matter. All you need to do is be able to provide a high-quality service at a reasonable price. But be informed, you will have to compete with many others that are constantly bidding on open jobs. CafePress. This website allows you to create digital designs that can then be sold on the platform. You'll earn a commission for everything that sells, and you'll never have to deal with logistics like printing, warehousing, and customer service. If you have some graphic design skills, then this is a great potential source for your web-based income. Fiverr. Israeli-based Fiverr was started in 2010 by Shel Wininger and Mitcha Kaufman. You can offer gigs as low as $5, but also get paid much more for upgrades and add-ons. Mechanical Turk. Amazon's Mechanical Turk is a resource for doing human intelligence tasks, or as the site commonly refers to them, hits. You get paid a very small fee for any given hit, and you'll need a good deal of volume to make a substantial amount of money. But it is a resource you can use in your spare time to generate a small income online. Flippa. If you have a penchant for buying and selling, you could use Flippa and its higher-end counterpart, Dealflow Brokerage, to buy and sell websites for a profit. You'll need to know what you're doing here, but you could easily make a sizable income by flipping income-generating websites for profit. Etsy. While Etsy's popularity has declined recently, it's still a great resource for selling handmade items online. No need for complex e-commerce sites or merchant accounts on any sort of automation. The company takes a commission of every sale and charges a small listing fee per item. But many still use Etsy as their primary resource of income. The best part is that you can also sell digital products on here, such as poster designs, Shutterstock, and iStock Photo. Have a keen eye for photography? Why not sell photos on some of the leading photography sites? You'll need some design software skills to tag alone, but if you do have skill in this arena, it's a great potential source for passive income. Threadless. Similar to CafePress, Chicago-based Threadless also allows you to sell digital designs in the form of t-shirts and other merchandise such as phone cases, mugs, beach towels, and so on. Zazzle. Another great resource for selling online is to use Robert Beaver's Zazzle. This site is somewhat similar to Etsy, and virtually anyone can make money online selling a variety of items here, from art to handmade items and customizable products. You can pretty much sell anything here. Number 3. Sell as an affiliate. There are loads of resources for making money online as an affiliate. You could source products from ClickBank, Commission Junction, Rakuten Marketing, Share a Sale, Impact Radius, and many others. Plus, many of the larger companies have their own affiliate programs as well. Do your due diligence and find the right company with the relevant product or service to your audience that you can sell as an affiliate. In some cases, you will need an active website with substantial traffic to get approved. Selling as an affiliate isn't easy by any means, but if you do have the audience, it can definitely amount to a substantial amount of income. Number 4. Start a blog. If you're seriously about making money online, start a blog. Blogging is one of the easiest and most substantial income sources. As long as the blog is set up the right way, in the right niche, with the right content targeted at the right audience, and the offer is complementary to the content, you could make a tremendous amount of passive income from a blog. While some might think that starting a blog is an arduous effort, when you understand the precise steps you need to take, it becomes far easier. It all starts in the decision of choosing a profitable niche and picking the right domain name. From there, you need to build your offers. You can easily sell things like mini email courses, trainings, and ebooks. And number 5, email marketing. If you are interested in online marketing, set up email software and create a lead magnet that you can use in your sales funnel. Then build up that list. It's often said that you can expect to earn about $1 per subscriber per month. If you have a list of 10,000 subscribers, that means you can earn roughly around $10,000 per month. You will need to deliver value and not pitch them on every email, but it's a very achievable goal in a short period. There are many ways to get people onto your list. Lead magnets are one such resource. For example, you can build ebooks, checklists, and cheat sheets, but you can also do content upgrades such as PDF versions of an article with added resources in them, 4-part video training series, and more. Think about your audience and what you can offer them to better serve them. Then treat them with some respect and you'll eventually reap them rewards. Thank you for watching this video, and we have a lot of more videos, so stay tuned with our channel.